Alright, hello everyone. Steve again. It's about 4:40. It's April 16th, 2010. We're looking at a severe thunderstorm, possible severe thunderstorm. Our National Weather Service just issued a warning for us 5 minutes ago. Another one, it's the third one that we've had in a while. It's not really doing much right now. I'm just walking through the alleyway here, facing southwest. It's north, or that's southwest, west. An interesting looking cloud over there. I don't like when the clouds look like this, because usually with thunderstorms we get this kind of like flat bottomed approach, and these look kind of turbulent. As noted, National Weather Service did issue high winds possible with this storm. So you can see all these buildings have lightning rods on them, and thus it's probably not a great idea to be out here right now. These clouds are just probably prefrontal kind of stuff. It's not really too much stuff. Unfortunately, we don't really have any tornado sirens here, so I really wanted to go to dinner. But you know me, Weather Weenie Steve. You like this kind of stuff. Although these clouds do look interesting, and I have the weather radio in my pocket, so you know, if we have any updates or anything, we're gonna take a look. We're gonna walk up here towards the nuclear reactor, maybe a little bit, see if we can spot anything. Of course, the storms are mostly north of us right now. The sun was out actually about 20 minutes ago. Not much anything. I think I felt a raindrop hit me. So yeah, there's a kind of interesting low-hanging cloud over there. It's a tornado. Yeah. Nah, it's not a tornado. But yeah, if there's a tornado, we're supposed to call them over there at the Brazil, whatever it is, nuclear reactor. There's a couple tall trees. It's probably genuinely a really bad idea to be out here, to be honest with you. Although I'd rather take a look at the clouds now and, you know, kind of be interested in it. Miller Hall, Nelson Hall, Harris Hall. Just think about maybe going out in the car and parking in a parking lot or something. You don't see many storms that look like this, with the turbulent bottoms and everything. Could be in for some winds as the crow flies. We'll have a look. Maybe take a peek out here to our east, as long as it doesn't rain on me. See what happens. It's actually unbelievable if you can think about it. Like, over there's blue sky right there, and you go around here and you can see, oh god, I don't know what that is, but it doesn't look too good. It's probably the front itself. I mean, that's a scud cloud. They should be putting out a tornado warning with this. This is not good. You know, that is something where meteorologically you don't like seeing. And the fact all these clouds are fragmented and everything, if you can just take a look, this isn't good. So you can actually see there's like a shelf cloud coming out before this. You can see the shelf cloud in the winds are probably going to start picking up very soon. You can kind of hear the wind. Not a lot of lightning with this, amazingly. But that's a shelf cloud in central PA in April. So we'll kind of grin and bear it for now. Might not have to hit that button emergency, but you know. But yeah, this is pretty turbulent. You know, we're gonna keep looking at this very interesting cloud formation here. It is a shelf cloud, I'm pretty convinced. So, not a lot of wind right now. There's a really little tree. I think I just saw a little bit of lightning. Yeah, the wind's really picking up now. UPS truck. Take another look. I mean, this is a very interesting. I just felt the drop hit my head. So we'll try to stay out here as long as we can. Obviously, I don't want to be in a hazardous situation here, but you know, we'll go as long as we need to. Yeah, now you can hear it. Here it comes. Gust front's upon us. See the trees kind of blowing. There are drops hitting inside the face. We're going to take one last look out the back here. See if we can see anything else extra. Might be useful to you. Storm chasers out there. They're being funneled. You can actually see it, and this is more your traditional. Yes, that is a gust front. You can see it right there. Going along there. Stretching just about east to west. So, yeah, my camera sometimes will quit on itself. So you can actually see there's waves going up the grass. That's how strong the wind is. There's a girl up here, she's running in here, flip-flops. There's still people out there, they're still playing. Yeah, it's probably a good idea to go in. So, alright. See you guys later. Well, we'll stay out here. Look at that tree. Whew. Yeah. Camera's gonna get soaked. Alright. Yeah, we're out here. No thunder yet. You can see these trees kind of bending and flexing, and I think it's probably a good idea to go in. We're being protected a little bit by that, but we're getting too soaked, so take a little peek out here. Just one last one. We're gonna head in because we're getting up to the 10-minute limit. Yep. Storm's upon us. Look at these interesting clouds. That's a gust front for you. I'll see you later. Comment on this video. Make lots of hits reporting Eastern US weather or whatever. See you guys.